Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll explore two methods to capitalize the first letter of each word in a cell. We'll start by using a formula based on the proper function, followed by a method involving VBA code. Let's dive into each approach. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll capitalize the first letter of each word using a formula with the proper function. This approach allows us to transform text strings within cells without the need for additional programming. Assuming that you have a list of cells with various phrases in range B1, B4 and you only want the first letter of each word is capitalized. How to achieve it? You can use a formula based on the proper function to achieve the result. Just like this, equals proper, B1. Type this formula into a blank cell and press Enter key and then drag the autofill handle over to other cells to apply this formula. You will see that the first letter of each word in cells have been capitalized. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using VBA code to capitalize the first letter of each word. This method provides more flexibility and control, especially when dealing with large datasets. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. In the VBA editor, go to the Insert menu and select Module to add a new module to the project. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the newly created module. Close the VBA editor. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select Capitalize First Letter from the list of macros. Click Run to execute the macro. Select range of cells that you want to capitalize the first letter. Click OK button. You should see that this macro will capitalize the first letter of each word in the selected range of cells. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to capitalize the first letter of each word in Excel using both formula and VBA code methods, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.